the Inquiry Master, under the Employee Access setup, we have the option for Column Administrator. With this option enabled, if we go into the time entry screen as the employee set up as the Column Administrator, we can go to Columns, select the column setup, and then hit Apply for All. This will then apply this column setup to all employees using the system. To enable the Column Administrator, we go to Setup, Employee Access, go to the employee we want to set up as the administrator, hit Edit, then check on Column Administrator. As well, under the master account, we will need to go into Utilities, Customize, ESS, and then we'll need to enable Assigned Column Administrators for time entry.